Our New York adventure began bright and early. That morning, a friend Oshan was already waiting for us near the subway as we kicked off the day. The moment we stepped out, the buzz was real. Yellow cabs honking, people rushing, buildings towering above us. This city breathes energy. Today, our journey begins in New Jersey. After a quick walk to the station, we're hopping on the PATH train, the iconic link between Jersey and Manhattan. The moment we emerge from the darkness and see the skyline, that's when it hits you. We've arrived. Welcome to New York City. Loud, fast, and alive. Let's go explore. New York City, the place that never sleeps. For years, we've seen it in movies, heard it in songs, and now we're finally here. Now we've arrived at one of the most powerful and emotional places in New York, the World Trade Center site. This is where the Twin Towers once stood, before the tragic attacks on September 11, 2001. Today, it's a place of remembrance and resilience. The memorial pools, built in the exact footprints of the towers, honor the lives lost, with the names of every victim etched in bronze. It's quiet here, even in the middle of the city, and you can feel the weight of history. Above it all stands One World Trade Center, symbolizing strength, unity, and the spirit of rebuilding. It's a moment of reflection before we continue exploring the city. Then we made our way uptown to the Upper East Side to visit a place of peace and reflection, the Church of the Holy Trinity. Next, we headed downtown again, this time to the heart of the financial district, to see one of New York's most iconic landmarks, the Charging Bull. The bull is a symbol of power, resilience, and the hustle of Wall Street. Tourists from around the world come to snap a photo and touch the sculpture for good luck. We had planned to visit the National Museum of the American Indian, but unfortunately we couldn't make it inside. To end our first day, we made it to one of our favorite spots, the Brooklyn Bridge. As the sun dipped low, we walked along the iconic path, took in the skyline, and captured some unforgettable photos. A perfect ending to an unforgettable day in New York.